Hi everyone, I'm Aline and this is my very first YouTube video. On this channel, we're gonna make lots of delicious meals and salads together. And before we start, please subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. It really makes me happy and helps this channel grow. Let's tie our hair and get started. So let's start with one of my favorites, a healthy chicken and eggplant salad.
For this salad, you'll need 4 medium eggplants, 2 chicken breasts, 1 julienne carrot, two cloves of garlic, chopped walnuts, one and a half cups thick yogurt, some chopped dill,
1 spoon of olive oil, salt and pepper as desired.
Here's everything we need. First, we peel the eggplants.
And cutting.
We fry the eggplants. I dip the eggplants in egg white before frying so that they absorb less oil. In a pot, boil the chicken with salt, pepper, and a little turmeric if desired. Then, fry the carrots in a little oil. I like to fry them for extra flavor, but if you want a diet-friendly version, just boil and dice them. After the ingredients are prepared, chop the eggplants and shred the chicken into thin pieces. Then we mix the eggplant, carrots, and chicken together. So add the chopped walnuts to the ingredients. Now it's time for the delicious sauce. Mix together the thick yogurt, pickled dill, and garlic, and finally add a little lemon juice if you like. Salt and pepper are optional here. Then pour the sauce over the ingredients and mix together. I love adding lots of sauce. It makes the salad so soft and flavorful. Then we pour a little olive oil on our salad.
And that's it. Healthy, quick, and seriously delicious. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.